Spokane Regional Health is tracking 3 new coronavirus outbreaks at care facilities. And they're not the only ones health officials are watching. Spokane Regional Health said it's keeping an eye on 13 care facilities with COVID-19 outbreaks.
Some facilities have more than 40 cases. Rockwood Retirement in the South Hill is one of them. Back in August, they reported 12 cases, which have now jumped to 53. It's a startling trend that reflects what officials have been saying that they're seeing statewide. Kaitlin Knapp shows us how some Spokane facilities are responding.
Well, COVID-19 has taken 169 lives in Spokane County. As of Monday, 118 people who died were connected to a long-term care facility. The State Department, who's in charge of these facilities, told me today this just shows how vulnerable the older population is. Life has hit the pause button for residents of long-term care facilities.
We understand how incredibly difficult this situation has been over 7 months now.
But COVID-19 infections haven't stopped, leading to outbreaks in care facilities.
They all have a similar trend. Many people are contracting COVID-19 outside of the facility and bringing it in.
According to Spokane Regional Health, 761 people connected to a facility, either residents or staff members, have tested positive for COVID-19. Wright said numbers like this mirror the trends they're seeing across the state, including the number of deaths.
The numbers have been pretty consistent over the last few months, where they make up about 10% of the cases statewide are associated with a long-term care facility.
Out of the 169 deaths in the county, 118 are connected to a care facility. Long-term care facility deaths make up about 55% of the state's deaths.
It just shows how vulnerable the older population and those with underlying conditions are to COVID, and why we still need to do everything possible to keep them safe.
Rockwood Retirement and Manor Care said they're taking COVID-19 safety measures. Manor Care said they're creating an isolation unit for higher risk patients. Rockwood said they're also taking more measures. As more people head indoors in the next few months, Wright said they hope an uptick in cases isn't in the future.
So I think, we proceed with some cautious optimism over the next few months to keep that plateaued and hopefully get those numbers going down and urge those families to hold on.
Now, it's important to note that other Spokane County care facilities have reported COVID-19 outbreaks. Again, Spokane Regional Health said they're only monitoring the ongoing outbreaks. In studio, Kaitlin Knapp, 4 News Now.